Hey y'all, thanks for stopping in. Appreciate you taking a little bit of time out of your busy schedule, stop and see what it is I'm up to. What I'm up to is I'm watching the rain. It's coming down out there. Look over here at where the dogs roll around in the dirt all the time. They do their breakdancing. They got themselves a lake going on. I was thinking about transplanting some of these and getting them all watered in, but not today. Well, maybe later. The rain ain't gonna last all that long, I don't think. Oh boy! Liquid sunshine. Try to shut the door behind me so the rain doesn't get in. Whew. Tell you what, I'm standing here on the porch, I'm getting a shower. I don't really need a shower. I had a couple of them this past weekend. That rain is coming down. All right, we're running up on 3 minutes or so there, so. Not quite as much dry, but you know, it's only rain, right? Come on, Doc. Anyway, thank y'all for stopping in. Let me know what you think. Give me a thumbs down or a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Check out my giveaway. Send me some snail mail. The address will be down below. Until I see y'all again, lunch y'all. Bye-bye.